A huge revolutionary AI tool has just been released for solo game developers and small studios. Do you know that 3D objects that take you up to 12 hours to make in Blender everything from characters, monsters, tools, weapons, houses? Now for the first time, a solo game developer or a small studio is going to be able to compete against big studios thanks to this AI tool that allows you to generate 3D objects in just a few minutes. The tool is called Rodin, link is in the description. Rodin allows you to generate any 3D objects, even a character or a monster, by inputting text or an image. The tool even allows you to automatically generate textures. Now let me show you. First, you will have to log in or create an account and you will get 5 tokens for free, which will allow you to generate 10 3D objects for free. Each generated 3D object costs 0.5 tokens. After that, you can subscribe to one of their plans. For example, the creator subscription costs $24 a month and you will be able to generate 60 objects. If you click the link in the description, you will get 50% tokens more on your first subscription purchase. So if you use the link in the description and buy the creator subscription, you will get 45 tokens, which will allow you to generate 90 objects on your first purchase. Now let me show you how this tool works. In my example, I'm going to use the text input, or here you can also drag and drop your own image and it will generate and texture your own 3D object based on the image you provided. So over here, I'm just going to type, for example, monster, and now by clicking this button, I can switch between the images. Right, so I want to generate this object, so I'm gonna click on the check mark over here and click generate. Now as you can see, the 3D object has been generated, and if you're not happy with it, you can redo 10 times. And this is absolutely for free. It charges you 0.5 tokens only when you click on the confirm button over here. You can also rotate the object over here and switch between different materials. Okay, so now that you're happy with the object, just click on confirm over here and now click on generate to generate the texture. Right, so now as you can see, our character is textured and you can click on confirm over here, or if you're not happy with the texture, you can click on redo. Right, so now we can actually download our object, so click on download over here, and now as you can see, we downloaded a zip folder. So we can unzip it by double clicking it. Inside of the zip folders we have multiple folders, we have PBR, so over here each texture is separated, and we have the object over here, and also under the shaded we just have a shaded image and also the object over here. So I'm just gonna drag and drop this into the Blender, and I'm gonna go under the file, import, and click on OBJ. And as you can see, we have the object over here. We can also add the shading, click on new. I'm gonna add an image texture, and I'm gonna add the shaded image and connect the color. And as you can see, we have our shaded 3D object inside of Blender. Now all you have to do is add some bones to it, add some animations, and add it into your Unity project. If you scroll down, you can also see the different characters over here that have been generated by users. And if you click on mine over here, you can see all the generated objects that you generated in the past. So for example, yesterday I generated this object and also added bones, as you can see. If I go into the pose mode, I can actually make animations for it. So this is a tool that I'm gonna use in my future game development projects, and if you check the link in the description, you're gonna get 50% more tokens on your first subscription purchase. So please check out the link in the description, please leave a like on the video and subscribe to the channel.